Hello there and welcome to the Source of Concept tutorial. In our today's tutorial we are going to discuss about how can we compress a video with the size of 515 megabytes to the lower and small size video without losing its quality. This is the great job because we compress a video without losing its original quality. And this is what is called a lossless compression, which means that we compress a video without losing its original quality. Let's go and see what is going to happen. In this tutorial we are going to use a Handbrake software, which is the best software for video compression. Open your Handbrake software if you have installed it in your computer, but if it is not, don't worry. There is a download link in my video description. Now follow the following steps. Open or drag and drop your video that you want to compress. I'm going to take this video, open it, and follow the following steps. Tick here on Web Optimized, go to Dimension tabs, change Anamorphic to none, go to Filter, change Dentaless to off, change Encoder Level to Auto. On Encoder preset, you may choose if you want your video to be compressed faster or slower. But keep in mind that if you choose a faster, your video will take not much time to compress, but the quality of compression is lost. And when you choose in a slower, the compression process will take a much time, but the quality of compression will be lossless. I prefer to use a fast or medium for my video, and I will use this fast. On constant quality here, also there are two sides. There is a lower quality and a placeable quality. When you choose to this lower quality side, the quality of your video will be bad, but it will have the small size. But when you choose to this placeable quality, the quality of your video will remain the same as your original, but your video will have the large size. I prefer to use this 22 or 21 constant quality. The rest setting just leave as they are, and then go to Audio tab to finalize. Change codec from AAC to MP3. We don't need these remains tab. So finally go to browse and choose the destination for your video. In the file name, I'm going to call it as after converted. Yep. Then save it and start encode. Wait for it to finish. It may take time. This is the time remaining and they are varying. It depends with the specification that you have set. I paused this video to let the compression to finish. Now the compression process has been finished. So let's go and look the size of new video after compressed. This has a smaller size compared to this one which is original. Now let us open them to see the quality of each one and compare them to see if there is a difference or not, and if there is, if that difference is bigger or not. Open with, let me choose this Windows Media Player and see the quality of this video. This is the original video before compressed. Can you see this quality? Now let us open the other one after compressed to see the difference between these two qualities. Can you see the quality of this video after compressed? Can you differentiate the quality of these two videos? Yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share with your friend. Thank you again and goodbye. See ya.